much is a pizza? Wow, the price has really gone up quickly. What's happening? It's inflation. When we get inflation in the economy, the price for just about everything keeps going up. When prices rise, your purchasing power drops. That means that the same money buys less. Maybe you order pizza twice a week. With inflation, you might have to cut that back. There are two simple reasons for inflation. Number one, people want to buy more products or services than are available. Demand outpaces supply. If products and services become scarce, they're worth more. That's why the rarest trainers can sell for thousands. Number two, it costs more to make the product or provide the service. If the cost of tomatoes skyrockets, the cost of your pizza is going to go up too. So how do we measure inflation? Economists use a measure called CPI, the Consumer Price Index. It tracks the prices of a basket of goods. It's a virtual shopping basket containing thousands of things that people buy regularly: food, fuel, clothing, transport, and education. The total cost of the basket is the cost of living. When the cost of living is 2% higher than last year, we say that inflation is at 2%. A little inflation like this is normal. It means the economy is growing. But higher inflation might mean that some people struggle to afford basics like food and electricity. And there are other downsides to inflation. If it's higher than interest rates, your savings are going to be worth less and less each year. And once you earn a salary, if your income doesn't keep up with prices, you can afford less. During times of inflation, many people adjust their budgets to match the higher cost of living. It might mean cutting back on treats, like weekly pizza,